Hello, today is the 8th lesson of the Pre Algebra Worksheet Series. It's Pre Algebra Worksheet 07. We're still combining algebraic expressions. Okay, so on this one right here, though, I put 3 together instead of 2 and 2. So let's do this first problem. Something I didn't have you do that I teach my students to do is when you do this, single underline all your rectangles. So right here I have rectangles, rectangles, squares, rectangles. I'm going to single underline my rectangles and double underline my squares. That's going to teach me to group the like terms. Now then, these are open, shaded, and shaded. What you should do is group your shaded together first. So if you combine 4 and 5, you have 9 shaded rectangles and 2 open rectangles, and you just got 3 open squares. So now we come here, and this is when we got to subtract. We have more 9s than we do 2, so the sign's negative. 2 away from 9 is 7, and the variable is x, sign, number, letter, and the plus 3 drops. So our final answer would be negative 7x plus 3. We would have 7 shaded rectangles and 3 open squares. Let's go to this example. We have squares, rectangles, squares, and squares. So I'm going to double underline my constants. The constants are the squares and the variables are the letters. So I have a double underline, single underline, double underline, double underline. Okay. Now then, the 5x is just going to drop, but notice I have shaded, shaded, open. These are both shaded, so I'm going to group them together first. I have 11 shaded squares, and I have 9 open squares. Now I could group these two, can I? So I have more 11s than I do 9, so the 11 is negative, it drops. I'm going to take 9 away from 11 and get my 2. I'm subtracting here because I have opposite signs, right? So my final answer will be 5x minus 2. Let's go down and do let's do 8 and 9. Let's do 8 and 9. Okay, so on number 8, the 8x, let me make sure y'all can see this. Number 8, the 8x is a variable. I'm going to single underline it. The 5x is a variable, single underline it. The 9 is a constant, double underline it. And the 7x is a variable, single underline it. So I got to group all of my single underlines first, right? Open, open, shaded. So I'm going to group the open ones together. 8 and 5 is 13, and I'm going to put a little bitty 13x, and then I got minus 7x. Now I could group these two, can I? I have more 13, so the sign's positive. 7 is negative, 13 is positive. Small away from big. 7 away from 13 is 6. My variable is x, and the plus 9 drops. So this would be my answer. Let's do number 9. Constant, constant, variable, constant. Square, square, rectangle, square, right? So my rectangles would go first, so the negative 4x is just going to drop in it. Now then my squares would be open, open, open. All of the squares are open, so I'm just going to go left to right and add them up. 8 and 7 is 15, and if I add 15 to 9, I get 24. I would have 24 open squares. Okay, so you'll just go through this, do it the same way. Try to group your positives and negatives together first. It's very important that you're able to do this without using your fingers. If you got to use your fingers, do some drills and get those facts down. And remember to always believe.